Gentlemen, welcome to Maryland. I made a video previously about how to grow a beard for the first time. If you haven't watched it, I will link it down below in the description. As blacks, we face a lot of challenges with growing a beard. The beard that you're seeing on my face right now, it's a 5-month beard, which means it took me a long time to grow this patchy beard that you're seeing on my face. It hasn't grown fully. You can see there are patchy areas that needs to grow the beard, but I believe it takes time, and so I'm patient about that. But today I want to talk about the things that we are supposed to do as black men, okay? Because our skin as blacks is different to the whites, our friends, okay? Like the Indians, those guys, like their genetics, it's in their genes, like, to grow beards. But us, we have a lot of challenges to grow beard. But the things that can actually help us to grow a beard faster, if you want to grow a beard faster as a black man, number one, you have to drink a lot of water. Your body needs a lot of water for it to grow a healthy beard. Number two, you have to exercise. It's very important. Like, what I mean by exercising is you don't need to go to the gym. Exercising means something like going for a walk alone. Just take yourself out and just walk. Your body has to feel that it's doing something. Your body has to be active so that the blood is able to flow to all parts of the body, including your face. If your blood is not circulating to all parts of the body, it means that testosterone is not gonna be taken to the areas where it's supposed to go. You need to make sure that you exercise so that testosterone is transported to the areas where it's supposed to grow hair. Your face. Third thing that you're supposed to do, gentlemen, to grow a healthy beard is to take care of your skin. Remove all the dead skin cells and just take care of it. Wash it twice a day, in the morning and during bedtime in the evening. The fourth thing that you want to do if you want to grow a healthy beard as a black man, eat a lot of veg. If you want to grow a healthy beard, gentlemen, you want to include vegetables in your diet. Eat a lot of vegetables. Don't deny to eat anything. As long as it's vegetables, gentlemen, you want to eat it. No matter how bad it is, just eat anything. It's gonna help your beard to grow healthily. And that is important because most of the times as guys, we fail to do this because we have our favorite dishes, we have our favorite foods that we eat, and it's denying us to grow the beard that we love. One secret that I learned is that you want to eat a lot of vegetables to grow a healthy beard, a lot of fruits. The fifth thing that you want to do, gentlemen, to grow a healthy beard as a black man is not to shave. Don't shave it, no matter how patchy it is. I know it might be, it tempts. Even me right now, a lot of people are telling me to shave and doing, but don't shave it, because if you shave, you're not going to grow the hair in the patch areas. Right now, I'm seeing, you can see, this is how it looks right now. The beard is growing, okay? So it takes time. 5 months for me, it's a long time. Others can get the same results maybe in 1 month, okay? So we are different. Maybe you can get these same results in weeks. Others can get these same results in months, like me in 5 months. Others can even in years, okay? We are different. So it means that even you, if you want to grow a beard as a man, you just need to be patient, right? If you're not patient, you're not going to get the beard that you want. You have to be patient, and you have to do little things that we talked about in that video. No matter who you are, you're going to grow a beard. Just be patient and take care of your face to grow a healthy beard as a black man. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment if you have any questions about anything concerning beards. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.